Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to show you the best way on how to clean white mesh shoes. So these are a little filthy, I'll show you, but we're going to use my secret. That is using a Sunjo pressure washer to clean your white mesh shoes, and I'll give you a demonstration. But I said, one day I was like, I can clean these dirty, filthy rims with this pressure washer. I can clean my dirty white mesh shoes. So I'm gonna show you the dirt. A lot of people get white shoes and we always see stains and we're like, how do these shoes get so filthy? It's from getting in and out of your vehicle. So here we go. Also, I'll give you a secret on how to clean your white soles as well, because there's a secret for that. But yeah, look at the dirt and the mesh. It's so difficult to get rid of. Even if you soak them, it would be difficult. But I'm going to give you a demonstration on how to clean them. Here we go. Let's get started. So what you're going to do is come over here to the hose. Simply just turn on the water to the pressure washer. Come on over here. It's very simple. Turn it on. It'll make a little bit of noise here, so I'm going to turn it on. I'm just going to show you how it cleans off that filth real quick, and then we're going to go off over to the shoe, this dirty shoe. And the secret is to hold this shoe in place is use like the other end of a broomstick. So I'll show you. So to hold this shoe in place while you clean the shoe is you just hold it with the broomstick, and then your other hand will have the pressure washer in hand, and you'll be pressuring off those stains. So here we go. See all that dirt was gone. See, come over here. See all that filth. All that filth is gone. So there you go, guys. So if it was able to clean my rims, we're gonna clean our shoes. So I'm gonna give you the demo. Alright guys, so look how nice and clean that white shoe is. So white, so clean. Over here, here's the dirty one, right? And I'm gonna give you another demo. I'm gonna clean it right before your eyes. Here we go. So what's most important here, don't use the strongest setting. Make sure that the water fans out. I'll show you. See how the water fans out? You don't want one that's like real shoots in a line, because it's too powerful and you don't want to destroy your shoe, because it can tear right through that fabric. So here we go. And actually also don't put your hands near that water, because it's very powerful. So don't have anyone holding the shoe, because you can hurt yourself with the water. So here we go. I'm gonna get rid of all that right there. See if I can get rid of that dirt right there. See if I can get rid of that mark inside that circle there. See that black mark? And as you can see, that black mark disappeared inside that O or Q. See that stain right there? Right there. There you guys have it. Super duper white, clean shoes. So here's the black shoes. I'll do the mesh. They're just a little dusty. Nice and white, guys. So there you guys go. Continue to subscribe and I'll hook you up with the secrets. Peace.